Today, we get Wi-Fi installed at the Spanish Revival. We also fit the windows and paint 2 color samples on the tiles in the kitchen. Here are the tubes, along with some other supplies that we need for the installation. The tube was threaded behind the bushes, over a pergola, along the side of the exterior wall, and then drilled in through a hole into the living room. Here's the pergola. The tube will be threaded underneath. We're also going to be painting the pergola in future episodes. Here we can see the tube going across, trying to limit its exposure. Here we can see the line going across the exterior facade. All these cables are going to be painted white across the exterior of the house. And here they're threading the wire in through to the living room. So here we can see the cable behind the bushes, over across the pergola, the exterior of the house, and into the living room. We also had some visitors who apparently liked the installation today. In another episode, we're going to be cleaning this fishbone floor on one of the terraces. Possibly we'll need anti-green, or maybe bleach will do the job. Let's see. We took the kitchen cabinets to Leroy Merlin, so second visit. And we have a bit of an exciting project coming up where we're going to be painting the kitchen cabinets and the tiles in the kitchen. Here's the primer, followed by the black color we're going to be using for the kitchen cabinets. Next, we're fitting the doors and windows. We've experienced how the windows and doors have been moving in the wind at night, and we're now making everything airtight. These doors will also be painted black in future episodes, just like the staircase you see on the right. We then went on to do both the terrace doors and 4 windows. see it applied on the windows. But the day was not over. We had to test samples as well that we got to paint the tiles. So here's our first attempt at trying out 2 satin finishes. First, we wipe the tiles with alcohol and make sure they're properly cleaned. This color is trench, and we're hoping that it matches some of the color tones in the tiles. This is me speeding up my hand movement a bit. When enough paint has been added, I use a foam roller just to even out any of the brush strokes. Here's the difference between the new finish and the old tiles. Next, we're applying the second color, which is going to be the granite one. Here are the 2 color samples applied. I'm wondering which one we should use. Thanks for watching this video on the Spanish Revival. Please make sure to like and subscribe and watch the upcoming episodes as we have a lot of renovations to show. Hasta luego.